Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling something super important for your online security. How to bind Google Authenticator to your Gate.io account in 2025. With cyber threats on the rise, enabling two-factor authentication, 2FA, is a game changer to protect your crypto assets. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more helpful tech guides. First off, ensure you have the Google Authenticator app installed on your smartphone. You can download it for free from the App Store or Google Play. Once that's done, log into your Gate.io account using your email and password. Remember to use a secure connection to avoid any risks. Next, head over to your account settings. Look for the Security or Account Security section. It's usually in the top menu or under your profile. There, you'll find the two-factor authentication options. Click on it and select Google Authenticator as your 2FA method. Gate.io will generate a QR code on your screen. Open the Google Authenticator app on your phone, tap the plus icon to add a new account, and scan that QR code. If scanning doesn't work, you can manually enter the provided secret key. After scanning, the app will start generating 6-digit codes that change every 30 seconds. Go back to Gate.io and enter one of these codes into the verification field. Hit Submit to confirm. Once verified, your Google Authenticator is now bound to your Gate.io account. You'll need to use these codes for logins and withdrawals, adding an extra layer of protection. Pro tip: save your recovery codes in a safe place, like a password manager, in case you lose access to your phone. That's it for this quick tutorial. By following these steps, you're one step ahead in securing your digital world. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.